Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. Welcome back to English for Beginners. Okay, in this video we will learn together about short stories. So will be about 3 stories and there is moral stories here. The first story. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thirsty Crow. There was a crow which was very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere. At least he saw a water pot near a well. Jadi ada burung gagak yang sangat haus. Dia mencari air di mana-mana. Kemudian dia melihat ada ember yang dekat dengan sumur. Okay, let's continue. He looked inside the pot. There was very little water in the pot. The crow saw some stones nearby. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones. Dia melihat ke dalam bejana. Ada sedikit air di dalam bejana tersebut. Kemudian si burung gagak itu melihat beberapa batu yang dekat dengan sekitar situ. Dia berpikir untuk melakukan sesuatu rencana. He pick up some stones. Kemudian dia mengambil beberapa batu yang ada di sekitar situ. He put them one by one into the pot. Kemudian dia meletakkan batu-batu tersebut ke dalam bejana tersebut. The water level in the pot came up. Kemudian airnya itu jadi makin naik dan naik. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Akhirnya si burung gagak itu bisa minum air dan terbang dengan senang. Okay, what is the moral value of this video, of this story? Okay, manjada wajada. Siapa yang bersungguh-sungguh pasti dia dapat. Okay, next story. The greedy dog. There was a dog that was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere and at last he found a bone. Ada seekor anjing yang sangat lapar. Dia mencari makan di mana-mana dan akhirnya dia mendapat tulang. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. Dia membawa tulang tersebut dengan menggunakan mulutnya dan membawa pulang. There was a bridge on the way to his home. Nah, ada jembatan menuju pulang ke rumahnya. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. Pada saat dia melewati jembatan tersebut, dia melihat bayangan air. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in a water. Nah, dia berpikir si anjing tersebut bahwa ada anjing lain yang bawa tulang juga gitu. He want to get that other bone too. Nah, dia juga pengen lagi tuh tulang tersebut. Padahal, so he started barking at his own reflection. Dia mulai melakukan perlawanan kepada bayangan tersebut. His bone fell in water as soon as he opened his mouth. Akhirnya tulang tersebut jatuh ke air saat dia membuka mulutnya. The greedy dog lost his bone. Si anjing yang rakus itu akhirnya kehilangan tulangnya. Jadi dia tidak dapat tulang sama sekali. The moral value of the story is don't be greedy one. Jangan menjadi orang yang rakus ya. Okay, the last story. The rabbit and the tortoise. Once upon a time there was a rabbit and a tortoise. Suatu hari ada seekor kelinci dan seekor kura-kura. They were good friends. Mereka itu sebenarnya teman baik. They used to meet and play every day. Mereka itu suka bertemu dan main bersama setiap hari. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. Tapi si kelinci itu suka merasa sombong bahwa dia tuh bisa berlari lebih cepat dibanding si kura-kura gitu. So they decided to have a race. Akhirnya mereka memutuskan untuk melakukan perlombaan. They choose a starting and finish point. Mereka menentukan tempat memulai dan berakhirnya. The rabbit ran really fast and soon left the tortoise far behind. Si kelinci itu larinya kencang deh dan meninggalkan si kura-kura jauh di belakangnya. Jadi kelinci udah di depan duluan. He thought that the tortoise is too slow. Nah, si rabbit itu, si kelinci berpikir bahwa si kura-kura mah lambat banget jalannya. He can't rest for a while. Akhirnya si kelinci itu istirahat sebentar. So he stopped under a tree and went to sleep. Akhirnya si kelinci itu berhenti di bawah pohon dan tertidur. Meanwhile, tortoise kept walking the whole time and reached the winning point. Akhirnya si kura-kura itu jalan terus walaupun dia lambat jalannya ya, jalan sepanjang waktu sampai akhirnya dia sampai di titik menang, titik akhir perlombaan. When the rabbit woke up, he saw that tortoise has already won the race. Saat si kelinci bangun, ternyata si kura-kura sudah sampai di garis finish. Oke. Jadi tidak boleh sombong ya. That's all for this video. The moral for you about the rabbit and the tortoise is slow and steady wins the race. Lambat tapi teratur bisa memenangkan perlombaan. I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you very much for watching and listening the story here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.